we have to tell ourselves to, you know, being brave to speak more, you know, and yeah, and trying to speak more and trying to find the words. But at the beginning, we were just like, yeah, or like, okay, so how to say blah 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 in English? Yeah, we would just discuss some things in Chinese. Yeah, but after that, I think gradually we kind of get used to it, you know, because you speak more, you can, you know, you will be better, you know, you can just be more fluent when you are speaking. Yeah, so yeah, I think it's quite interesting because it's a way that you can make foreign friends, you can know the foreign people, and you can talk a lot of different things, like share the culture difference, yeah, or sometimes like introduce some Taiwanese famous place to them, like I sometimes bring them to like night market, and also we like go to Yangming Mountain to like go hiking, yeah, and we talk a lot of different things, and so the one is that we can make friends, foreign friends, and you also at the same time you can practice your English speaking. So yeah, I think it's a good way. If you are interested, maybe you can go to like Taida or Shida or Zhengda. They all of them have this kind of language center, Mandarin training center. Yeah, you can find some foreigners there to practice your English speaking. Yeah, and yeah, and I also have some like exchange students from our school. But do you have exchange student in your school?
No.
No.
But I know when we are in senior high, have sometimes have Japanese students come our school to 参观的。
Oh really?
Yeah, their graduate travel.
Graduate trip.
Graduate
毕旅是不是？
Yeah. And is come to Taiwan and come to, because our school is at Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall.
Your school?
金欧在那个
Oh, okay.
附近
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. So they will come to see our school and
Cool.
exchange with our Japanese 日语系的同学。
Okay, but there is no like the English speaker.
有那时候有吗？几个？有巴西来的。
Yeah.
Yeah, the few.
Few. Do they speak English, or they speak Chinese? English?
So they come to learn Chinese.
Okay, yeah, but I think that's another point is that because most of foreigners coming to Taiwan because they want to learn Chinese, so most of the time they don't want to speak English because they want to speak Chinese to, you know, practice more Chinese. Yeah, so sometimes they are not really want to speak English. Yeah, and I think another thing is that, look, I think of something it's quite important, and yeah, is that it happens maybe a few years ago. Is that I remember I was being like a staff for an activities. Do you know what I mean? 就是一个活动的工作人员。Yeah, and there are some foreigners come here, and I heard that they come to ask our people some questions. Yeah, but they just like get close to them, and my friends wanna trying to speak English to them. Yeah, but actually they can speak Chinese, but you know, most of Taiwan people, when you watch those foreign face, you would just, you know, speak, yeah, and trying to like practice your English or trying to speak English. But actually foreigners, some of the foreigners, they can speak Chinese, so those foreigners would think you are kind of looked down on me or something. You know what I mean? Because I mean, like, they can speak Chinese, but you're judging me by their face, so maybe they would think Taiwanese would think they can speak Chinese, because they're trying to speak English. So the foreigners would think they are being looked down on Taiwanese people. Do you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, it's kind of.
But how to do if have this situation?
Yeah, I think that's the kind of an important issue, and it's there's no rules that teach you how to do that, because I think it's kind of like mistake. 我觉得这中间有一点误会，就是 the foreigners would say， 就是台湾人有一点看不起他们这样子，因为我明明就会讲中文，你干嘛看到我就是觉得我好像不会讲中文，你就要跟我讲英文？对 ，but most of Taiwanese would say然后有些人会觉得说 ，okay, you speak English because you consider me, I'm American, but actually I'm not American. Maybe I'm the French or German or from other Europe country. I'm not American, so why are you talking to me in English? But I think for me, most of Taiwanese would think that okay, because it's sometimes they want to show they're friendly, because because that they can speak English, they want to show that they're trying to be nice to the foreigners, so they're trying to speak English in case they can't speak Chinese. Yeah, and another point is sometimes the Taiwanese not really consider them as Americans, but because Taiwanese only can speak English, say they only can speak English to foreigners. They are not really think, okay, you are American, so I talk to you to English. It's just because they are looked just like foreigners, and I can speak French, I can speak German, I can speak Japanese, or I can speak Korean. So I guess maybe you can speak English, so I speak English to you. Yeah. Yeah. So I think it's quite hard to deal with this kind of problem, because you will never know if they can speak Chinese or not, Like when the foreigners coming to me, and I would consider, okay, should I speak English or Chinese? Of course I can speak English, but I'm afraid that they will think I'm looking down on you or something. So I think from now on, most of the time I would speak Chinese at first, to trying to be a test if you can speak Chinese or not, and 你好，需要帮忙吗? Like this kind of things. But after that, maybe they will say, excuse me, can you speak English? Then I would change to English, because you wanna, even if you wanna show your friendness, but I think it's kind of like respect, 就是一种尊重啦，我觉得，就是因为毕竟他们来台湾，就是对他们是一种尊重，觉得说不要觉得说好像看不起他们，而且因为大部分的人来台湾 they really wanna speak Chinese, so I think at the beginning I would just speak Chinese or ask them if you can speak Chinese. Yeah, 就是一来你说请问你会说中文吗？那如果他们说不太会，或者是一点点，那就是你可能再换成英文这样子会比较好，对。但我觉得这是一个很kind of hard, and it's more about like culture things. Yeah, it's hard to tell if it's right or not. Yeah, but I think it's an interesting question. Okay. So sometimes I would bring some of my foreign friends to some Taipei's famous place.
Or some temple.
Yeah, some temples. So maybe. So do you have some famous place or interesting place that you would recommend if you have foreign friends or foreigners? Can you think of some famous place that introduce those foreigners to go there? Yeah, nice Nice choice. So okay, so what's the some special things there?
The building like temple.
Yeah, true. Yeah, the National Concert Hall and the National Theater 就是国家戏剧院跟国家音乐厅嘛，两栋，你们知道吧？对 ，Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's more like the Chinese style buildings. Yeah, so most of the foreigners would like, well, maybe just like, yeah, would maybe yeah, most of people would like to see some Chinese styles building. Yeah, good. Okay. What else? What would you recommend foreigners to go? Come on, we have another place. Yeah, good. Okay. So what are you going to introduce that? What's the special there?
The building is famous
Mm-hmm.
and
So what does it mean by 101? What does that mean? 101. Why it called 101? What does that mean?
one 101 floor.
Yeah, okay. So is it the yeah, like you can say that it's the tallest building in Taipei, 最高的嘛, and like most of the people would go to there's a observation desk or something, 观景台 on the like 89 or 89 floor. Yeah, there's a place that you can see the Taipei view, the whole view of Taipei. Yeah. Okay, nice. And where else? Where else besides Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall and Taipei 101? What do we have? Some famous place in Taipei that foreigners must go. Can you think of one? 一些台北的有名的观光景点。Oh, okay, nice. Okay, so what would you recommend? Which night market? Because we have a lot of night market in Taipei. So. Oh, 饶河. Okay, cool. You've been there? 有去过吗？有. So what is the famous food there? Oh yeah, yeah, nice. Yeah, 胡椒饼. I don't know. Actually, I don't know the 胡椒饼 in English. You know, it's kind of translate from Chinese to English because yeah, but you can like trying to explain about it. Like I would say it's like like 包子 or some things, but it's baked, 烤的嘛. And there are some pork and there's some pork inside with black pepper and green onion, 就是葱, 青葱. 青葱在滚开. Yeah, I would just say that to my foreign friends. Yeah, because I don't think we can just say that like black pepper cookie or cake. I don't know. 饼有点难翻，有时候 Yeah, because in Taiwanese, 饼有很多意思嘛，可是翻成英文好像说 cookie 也很怪，因为不是饼干的饼，可是有时候有些人会说 cake， 可是胡椒饼也不是 cake， 就是不知道怎么说这样，我觉得很难，胡椒饼很难。Okay, nice choice. Yeah, okay, and where else? Some night market, Taipei 101.
平溪
Yeah, 平西. Okay, so what's the famous there?
About the 火车
Nice.
铁路
Yeah, I can say like train or the railway, 什么铁轨之类的。
yeah train lunchbox
你们
铁
你说
路便当
哦 OK, yeah. 可是铁路边不是芙蓉比较有名。
yes
Okay.
and
And what else in 平西？
天灯
Do you know how to call it?
I don't know
Okay, it's called lantern. 就是 yeah, lantern 就是天灯，所以我们有那个 lantern festival， 天灯节就是那个叫什么？元宵节是吗？我们是元宵节放天灯。对 ，OK， 所以元宵节英文我们就是 festival， 就是那个节，什么什么节，什么节庆的时候我们都用 festival， 所以 lantern festival 就是元宵节的英文我们会这样说。
天灯叫 lantern 那
对
灯笼嘞
灯笼好像也可以叫 lantern， 有点不确定。
can fly away the lantern
Yeah,
Take
yeah, and
the
you can
lantern.
explain more about it. Like, you can write down your wish on it, and then fire, and you will like fly into the sky and
Let it go.
and burn it somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, this kind of things. Yeah. Nice. What else? Okay. What's the famous things there? Okay, yeah, yeah. Actually, yeah, 九份 I would recommend my friends there, and 很多地名就直接说中文就好，因为它都有那个拼音嘛，所以九份就是九份，平西就是平西，没什么好说。那there are a lot of that kind of 什么贵的 in 九份 right? Because it's like there's an old street, 老街 right? Is it? Yeah. Okay, and there are a lot of I think a lot of traditional snack there. 这种传统的小点